Hi guys, you're welcome to Damsey Fashion. Thanks so much. In this video, I'm teaching you how to make your button holes with the buttons machine and tacking your button, design button. And I'm telling you how to pass the thread on the machine. Now, for those that have the machine or they gave you and you don't know how to pass the thread, look at the direction of how this procedure is being done and you will surely get it right. Make sure you're steady in putting the thread in the needle so that it will quickly enter it. The round sign here that is showing 1 to 5 is for the zigzag, while this one is for the speed. You measure your button is 0.5 inch. I added 0.25 to it for his. That is what I'm using for my button hole length. Then I mark 3.5 inch interval. So this is the 0.75 I'm using. You start from the beginning of the marking, beginning of the chalk for the button line, then you stitch from there straight down to the second line. Once you get to the second line, you make sure your needle is down, is inside like this. Can you see that? So you turn it back the other way around for the second side. Then you continue stitching. That's a zigzag stitch. Don't forget the number is in number 2 on the zigzag, while the speed is 0.5. That's the speed, so that it will be tight. It will be tight. Can you see the outcome? And our buttonhole is ready. Can you see it? Then after this, we want to determine our button. You mark directly under, in between the buttonhole, in between. Can you see it's in between? Directly in between the buttonhole for the button. Then you continue with others the way I did it. You continue like that. From there, you have not your thread. Place the button on where you want it to be. Then you punch the needle directly there. You bring it out. Then you go back again, start stitching. Here you have to watch closely what I did, because while tacking this, there's a way you tack it and it won't give you a perfect finishing. That when the hoona wears it, it will easily tear off or remove. But this way, it will make it very, very strong. You continue with the stitch for about 3 to 4 times. 3 to 4 times. You continue with that. You can see that it's entering to the hole out. Patiently showing you this so that you get it. Then after you do it, you have to drag it and make sure it's tight. Then you go to the back side. Now you don't sew it directly. You have to dip it inside the hole of the button. As you can see, this is entering that button hole. Then you bring it back to the back side. This will give it effective and permanent stitch to the clothes to make it last longer. You can do it once or twice, but I'm doing it once and then you tie it from the side, from the wrong side, tie it not from the wrong side. Then cut your stitch, cut your rope out. You see it's strong now, it's holding it down that it can't even. Then you continue with others this way. The second line, continue by doing the same thing. Continue by doing the same thing here. Tacking. You just want to look at it very well and understand the procedure so that you don't tack a button and it will fall off. After doing that, you use your blade to cut in between the buttonhole line. Cut in between. There is a space in between those lines. Cut it in between so that it will hang tight. As you can see, I'm putting the button inside it, and it's there already. You do same thing with other buttonholes. Do same thing by using the blade to cut in between the buttonhole line so that the button can see through it for the closure. Do it gently so that you don't mistakenly cut the cloth. And our button hole and our button. Can you see this? That's the outcome. Our button hole is ready. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to our channel. If you have any question in the comment section, I'll see you there.